here's from my first pump, first hole right here. Let's see how many we can get. Alright, first hole we got one, we got two right there. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good for, yeah, right here. Oh, this big one right here. First hole pump, we got like 6, 7. Oh, good size, about 7. Big fish. Alright, a big fish. Gotta be Sargo. Okay, a Sargo. Alright, we got Sargo. We got big Sargo. Got big Sargo right here. Finally Sargo. Oh yeah, another Sargo. Another Sargo right there. Sargo. Sargo. Another good size Sargo. Here we go, Sargo. Nice size Sargo. Alright, it's not a keeper. Cabezon. It's a short one. Gotta release it. Cabezon. Fish. Oh, big rubber lip. Oh look, big rubber lip perch. Big one. Big rubber lip perch. Oh. Yeah, it's a big rubber lip. Nice fish right there. Another rubber lip. Another good size. Tony. Okay, it's a surf perch. Everyone, it's 2:05 p.m. Here to pump some ghost shrimp. I just got here. There's the creek or river. It's been a long time again since I pumped ghost shrimps, and here we are again. We're gonna go fishing today. Just got off from work, so here we go again, pumping first and then go fishing. We'll just surprise you guys where we're gonna go fishing. My friend Tony's right there waiting for me at the dog beach, so I'm gonna have to walk probably 5-10 minutes. Catch you up later. Okay, there's Tony, my friend. Shout out Tony. I just got here. Tony's been here for a while. And here's from my first pump, first hole right here. Let's see how many we can get. Alright, first hole we got one, we got two right there. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good for, yeah, right here. Oh, this big one right here. First hole pump, we got like 6, 7. Oh, good size, about 7. First hole we got about 7 ghost shrimp. Okay, here's the second one. Let's see. Here's second one. There. Oh yeah. Second hole we get couple, just one.
Two.
Oh, two, we got two. Okay, right here. The third hole right here. There's one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
The third hole, a lot right here. It's a good size. Third hole right here. It's a big one. Big fish. Big bait right here. It's a good one.
7, 8,
Too small.
4.
Third hole, about 5 or 4. 4 ghost shrimps. Oh, right there. That's a good size. Oh, you broke it. Okay, we got the fourth hole. All the holes that we pump, we got some that's small. Too small. A lot of ghost shrimp right now. They're good size too. Alright, big hole, good size. A lot. Small, huh? Okay. Oh, right here, a lot. Good size. Not too big. Too small. 18. 18 so far, 18. Oh, right there.
21.
You're a good size too. A lot of them. Small ones. Ano lang yung cookies, energy food. Oh, good size. Oh, a lot. But 6, 7, some small. Yeah, that's a good one right here. Yeah, that's good too. Yeah, yeah, good one. Yeah, good one right there. 28. Yeah. 28. Oh, good one. 28. 28, huh? There. Small, yeah, big one right there, good too. Balik, marami dito. 61. 62. 62. 63. 63. Dito. Right here. Dito. Marami dito. Dito. Got 63. Yeah, dito. 64. 64. Got 64 right now. 64. 64.
Ayun.
Yeah.
Pwede
Good, yeah, isa. Yeah, 64, 65. Yeah, the 65. 65. Oh, right here. 66. 66.
Ang salamin ko.
66. 67, yeah, good one. 67. 67. Right here.
Wait.
69. 69.
Hey. 70.
70. 71. 71.
73.
Ah,
73.
ganun.
74. 75. 75. 25 more.
25. Okay.
76.
Yeah.
77. 78.
Big one. A lot of them. $79. I hear a lot of holes. Yeah.
1. 82. 83. 84.
4. 85.
86. 87. 89. 90. 91.
92.
92.
Okay, that's good enough, huh?
Huh?
Let's go.
Oh, ikaw.
Yeah, 92. That should be enough.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we got 92. For two of us, we got 92 pieces. Go shrimp. Now time to wash the pump. Time to wash it. Here. Loosen it. Yeah. 92 really quick. I don't know how long, but it's pretty quick. Okay, time to go fishing. We'll just surprise you where we're gonna go fishing. We're gonna turn on the camera when we get there to the spot. You guys just guess where we're going. So let's go. Time to walk back to the car. Huh? No, it's good. Yeah. So guess what? Where we are? We just got here. We got 92 ghost shrimps. Eh, dito na. Right here. Dito. Okay. Let's go set up everything. Yeah. Go set everything up. Okay, we'll just set up everything. So let's start fishing. Okay, this is what we're using. 15-pound test leader. So uni knot right here. Uni knot. And weight right here. The hook is size 4. Gonna try the size 4 first, maybe later size 2. 2 is bigger than 4. So here it is. It's easier clinch knot. Weight. It's 1 ounce weight. To the rocks. Okay, we're here on the spot now. Go ahead and put some bait right here. My friend Tony just stayed on the beach. So fishing here right now. Let's see what we catch here. See this here. First bait right here, like medium size, those shrimps. Here's the first cast. See what we're gonna get. Gas again. Fix it first. It's clean. bite. I got the bottom too. Lost it. Had a fish in there. Go ahead and retie. Broke off. Just retied. So let's try bait again. Get another bait right here. Cast it again. Just got bit, but it tipped the hook, so try again. Keep biting right there. I had a bite, a big fish, hopefully Sargo. Keep biting right now. Biting right there, so hopefully we get something in this bait. Got a bite. Just took the bait. Let's put another bait. A fish on. Got a first catch. Right, Rubber Lip Perch. First catch, keeper, Rubber Lip Perch, medium size. Let's keep this one. It's a keeper, first catch. Keep it. Right, second catch. Okay, so Sir Perch. We're releasing it. Okay, another rubber lip perch. Another good size keeper. Another keeper. Keeper rubber lip perch. Only second one. Right, this one's bigger. Opaleye. It's good size opaleye. Opaleye. First opaleye to rubber lip perch. Keeper again, keeper. Good eating. Alright. Another third keeper right here. It's a big fish. Okay, big fish. Alright, a big fish. Gotta be Sargo. Okay, a Sargo. Alright, we got Sargo. We got big Sargo. Got big Sargo right here. Finally Sargo. Tony, big Sargo. Big catch. Biggest catch of the day. Big Sargo. Good size. Keeper. Sargos are here. Alright, we got it. Keeper Sargo. Alright, another Sargo. Second Sargo. Another big Sargo. Alright. Another keeper Sargo. Yup, Sargo. That's spotted bay bass. Tony spotted bay bass. My friend Tony cannot go in the rocks. It's very dangerous for him. So we're just fishing here alone in the rocks. Probably look like almost 14. We'll just release it. Catch and release spotted bay bass. Felt like Sargo. It's only spotted bay bass. Fish on. Another fish on. Another big fish. Another Sargo, I think. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, another Sargo. Another Sargo right there. Sargo. Sargo. Another good size Sargo. Here we go, Sargo. Nice size Sargo. Another good one. Good thing we have a net. They're still here. Cheaper Sargo. Number 3 Sargo. Another fish on. Another one. A nice rubber lip perch. Rubber lip perch. A nice one. Cheaper again. Right there. Two Sargo. Big fish on, big fish on, big fish. Fish on, big one. Oh. Alright, it's not a keeper. Cabezon. It's a short one. Gotta release it. Cabezon. It's a short one. We're releasing it right there. Catch and release Cabezon. Short. Get a fish on. Keeper rubber lip perch again. It's another keeper fish. Medium size. Keeper. Fish on, fish on. Another fish. Right there. So we got here. Another Sargo. Sargo. Small size Sargo. Sargo. There's a keeper. Keeper Sargo. Small one. Small keeper. Keeper Sargo. Tony. Post. Ganyan. Fish on again. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Rubber lip perch. The rubber lip perch. Only another keeper. Another keeper.
Puno ng tubig yung bucket mo.
Oh, hindi pa. Lapit na. Babasa na tayo. Ako rin eh. Naka-weather nga. Wala namang kapote. Walang pantaas. Uy, makakawala pa. Dami na nating huli. Tony. Dito lang. Fish got away. Yeah, right here. May huli. Yeah, I got bit. Fish got away. Fish on the other side. Other side of the jetty. Big one. Right there. Oh, what's this? Oh, look like short. Other side. Spotted bay bass. Yeah, short. It's a short one. You gotta release it. Look like 13 and a half. But we're releasing it. Catch and release. There's probably a lot of them there. Probably Sargo. Okay, catch and release. Right there. Catch some more. Oh, Tony got a big fish. Oh, a shark. Tony got a shark. Fish on, shark. Ay, big shark, little shark. It's a good one. It's a good fish. Good fish. Oh, big rubber lip. Oh, look, big rubber lip perch. Big one. Big rubber lip perch. Yeah. Yeah, it's a big rubber lip. Nice. Nice big one. Alright. Oh, nawala yung fishing pole mo. Tignan nyo, hilahin. Ano? Fish on, fish on. Another nice one. Another nice fish. Right there. Another rubber lip. Another good size. Tony. Another perch. Alright. Another keeper. Yeah, keeper again. A lot of keeper fish today. Right. Opaleye again, opaleye. Nice opaleye. Keeper opaleye. Okay, it's time to call it a day. Time to go home. Let's go. Tony and I got a lot of fish. Got some Sargo, Rubber Lip Perch. We got some Croakers too. It's go ahead and head back. We're going home. Let's go. Getting wet right now. Waves getting stronger. Time to head in. This line first. Slippery out here. So just be careful over here. It's a little wet. Gotta watch your step. So let's walk on the beach right now. Here, it's here. There we go. We're here. We're na. Oh.